402 beds, Cardinal in the house. 2 full bedroom, 2 full bathroom with 2 showers, 2 sinks, 2 toilets. Ready. You could sleep 4 people and each one has his own suite. Let me show it to you outside. Beautiful Cardinal painted cap with LED light. 2 power awning with the LED light as you see, and a big panorama window. Basement storage pass through. Now the beauty about the 402 beds has 2 entry doors. Let me show you the second entry door. So in the back I could access the second bathroom, and it's a full bathroom. So I don't have to walk through the unit to get to the bathroom. I have full sink, full toilet, full shower, and I don't have to walk through the whole entire unit. It's easy to get in. A beautiful 3 slide out on this side. Endless hot water heater, suburban endless hot water heater, tankless. And we have full docking stations, auto leveling, and we have a storage in the front, and my spare tire is protected from the outside elements. Let's go inside and show you the beautiful 2-bedroom apartment, 2-bedroom fifth wheel. As you see, the nice thing about the Cardinal, they give me a high top dining tables. Beautiful. You see there's no legs, nothing, so it's easy to get in, and it has USB plugs, so in case if I have a laptop I could work on here, and actually I could serve 4 people here. It's very comfy, easy to get in, easy to get out, as you see. And you have 4 high top stools. What I really like, if you come this way, because the sun, it has a huge, unbelievable, one-piece big panorama window. This is worth the view. So if I'm in the oceans or rivers, look how beautiful the view I'm gonna get. Unfortunately, you're gonna see trailers here on motorhomes. So you have one-piece big panorama window with day-night shade, roller shade, as you see. And then you have a nice beautiful sofa, but actually it's not a sofa, this one, it's a recliner. So 2 recliners with a cup holder. And as you see, I have a nice smart TV in front of me. I could see it right there with the fireplace. A huge counter space, so you could see this TV is in a bracket. I could move it if I want to. A nice counter space, a lot of storage, 30-inch fireplace. Has a big presidential microwave, 30-inch. Nice Lippert 3-burner range and an oven, and a big one. A lot of doors, as you see, one, and they're all self-closing doors. And they have also another doors here. There's a place for trash can, and it comes with a trash can, as you see right here. Nice deep sink, stainless steel with a rice spray faucet. One-piece sink, extension counter space, so you have more prepping area. Nice pantries here for your canned food and cereals. Side-by-side refrigerator. Look how big it is. And ladies, if you're complaining about pantry, look how big this pantry. Big shelf with a lip, so things does not move. It's not gonna fall off when you're driving. A lot of tray area here, you could put things. Huge, big, tall, and with multiple shelves. I have the nice cooking, I call it coffee maker or toaster, with a 110 plug with a light. Nice cabinet. So you could see it's a beautiful living space. The nice thing about the Cardinals is you have 3 ACs. So you have 1 AC for the living area and the kitchen, 1 AC for the bedroom in the back, and 1 AC for the bedroom in the front. Let me show you the front bedroom. Nice grab handles. It's a two, and it has a nice window here on the hallway. When you come over here, you have the following. Nice queen bed with, actually, sorry, nice king size bed with lift bed. So you have a room for storage, and this is king size bed with headboard. You have 110 plug for your cell phone or CP machine, place to put your cup, a water bottle at night, place for books, or shelf. You could add in a second TV here if you want to. We keep it as an option. Some people they want it, some people they don't. More doors. And then here you have washer dryer. These we call them the barn door. Look at it. It looks like a barn door, which is a barn door. So these are barn door, and you could see how big the closet in the front with the shelf. You could put your folding jeans, clothes, shoes at the bottom, and it's already prepped because you already have a. I could put the stackable washer in two pieces. So I could put the washer here, and I could put the dryers on the other side. So I could have two. I could have the combo, or the stackable washer and dryer by having the dryer to the left and the washer to the left. Solid doors, easy to close. I love the barn door. Look how so nice. Full privacy. So this is the first bedroom. Let me show you the first bathroom. So here we have the first bathroom. Nice mirror with LED light. Sink for washing. And then you have a place for towels. And also here. Standing showers, no problem. Look at the height. Very big showers with a nice shower head. Has a nice shower door. A toilet. Place to hook towels. A fan to suck all the heat and the smell. Now this is the master bedroom. So king size bed in the front with full bathroom here. Now we're going to show you the second bedroom, which is right here. And again, you have a nice pocket door. If you don't want to see people this, you close it. Voila, you have full privacy. Nice barn door. And also you could latch it for traveling mode if you want it. Then you have another king size bed here with a closet here for hanging clothes. You could put a third TV here if you want. So you have one TV in the master bedroom, second TV in the second bedroom. It's already come standard with the big TV in the living room. And then you come over here, you have the second full bathroom. Nice counter space, nice medicine cabinet, a toilet. And behind it here, you have to come this way. So I can show them the second shower. Look how hot it is, an elbow. And same thing, it has the nice solid roof. This unit is perfect for somebody want to take separate people, separate adults. Very roomy, has a lot of space, a lot of privacy, all the amenities, 3 AC, 2 power awning, auto leveling, 2 king size bedroom, 2 full bathroom, theater seating, solar system, all of it loaded, ready to go. And the beauty about this is we have this unit on a price no one could touch in this side of the country. We have this unit on sale for $62.99. $62.99, no bogus fees, no hidden fees, just $62.99 plus tax and license. Come to Best RV and get the 2-bedroom suite, I call it, or 2-bedroom house at Cardinal at Best RV. 402 beds coming in.